No, you're a butcher, right?
So you're who? Mr. Know-It-All?
Well, not everything. But it's my duty to know everyone in my constituency. Now, I'm aware that you have a studio that you've been putting together to enhance the talents that are within this area. And I also understand that you got some equipment from an undesirable person.
Well, it sounds like I hear them talk about so.
Right now, I'm do more than you.
Yo, Minister, that's your first mistake. Not deal with disrespect, bro.
No disrespect intended. None at all, gentlemen. But the facts are that this person that you revere and look up to is a known offender as it relates to criminal activities.
We know what I hear what I used to do. We know that. And what am I doing now?
He's the lawyer of the group. Are you aware that your godfather is currently under investigation for what I mentioned before? And all known associates, persons close to him, that he has to assist in the community, will also attract said investigation.
Come like in a year what the man said. We don't want to hear about that. We know everything already. Come like a lip service to come upon. We want to know we're there for.
Alright. But I can guarantee you, and this is not a promise, this is something that is already in the books, on the books, bought and paid for, a fully furnished studio with proper equipment, the best of the best, Boss, Alpine, Kenwood, and some speakers that will blow this roof off. Proper infrastructure, those roads that you have out there is dirt tracks. All of that is already assigned to be dealt with. And I can show you the blueprint. So gentlemen, I understand why you are so nervous, or should I say, a little bit agitated when politicians are around. Enough is enough. All communities need to be brought to a higher level, and yours won't be left behind. I promise you that. And gentlemen, just want to let you know that I am aware of the conflict that you guys are currently having with Top Ranking. And I personally know that he has asked for a blood sacrifice. Question is, which one of you, your godfather, promises that blood sacrifice? Think about that.
None of it look like me, sir.
Mr. Know-It-All, I want to know from me the gatekeeper or you.
Righteous. Stay righteous.
So what really I say?
Come like you must say how King Man sell we out to Top Ranking. I wonder which man that none of we don't look like Lamia so.